girl named Cinderella. There was an evil stepmother and said, "Wahaha, you can't go to the ball like that. You look like a mess." Everyone touched her dress. And Anastasia and Giselle. I don't think you can go to the ball now. And then one day a fairy godmother came and said, "Don't you worry. I can grant your wish." Hold on, I have to get Cinderella. I can grant your wish. What do you mean? Well, I can make a pumpkin. I know how to make a pumpkin. Carrot. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Yes. Yay. Oh, and one more thing. Be careful because you have to be back by midnight. Okay. And then she went to the castle. She went to the castle, and then there was a famous prince there. "Hello, who are you?" "I'm Cinderella. Would you like to dance?" She said, "Of course." She said, "Uh-oh, it's almost time for midnight." Ah! Hold on, you forgot your glass slipper. And she went back to her little home at the meadow. And then the prince found her and said, "Oh, now there you are. I was looking for you everywhere." "Oh, you lost your glass slipper, Cinderella." "Oh, yeah, thank you." And then they got married. Ta-da!
Good one, baby. Now take a bow.